Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something incredibly delicious in store for you. A beautiful twisted bread recipe. To make the bread dough, into a bowl add some all-purpose flour with some sugar, instant dry yeast and some salt. Mix all the dry ingredients. Into that add some warm milk. Give it a mix. Then add in some melted butter or room temperature butter will work fine. Combine it really well with the flour. Add some more milk and knead it and make it into a dough. Once the dough is formed, you have to knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes to make it really soft. Once the dough is ready, divide it into two parts, and one part you should keep it in a bowl, cover it and keep it aside. Now let's mix some water and cocoa powder. Make it into a paste like this. Now into the second half of the dough, add the cocoa powder mix and start kneading. After kneading it for a while, you can see our dough has turned into a chocolate dough like this. Now keep that as well into another bowl, cover it and let it rest for 1 hour or until it doubled in size. Look at that, our dough has risen beautifully. Just take the dough out and roll it. I've separated it into two. Then make the one part into a long log like this. Repeat the same with all the dough. Now let's assemble it in such a way that we can easily twist the bread and make that beautiful twisted bread. So just look carefully and understand the pattern. Seal the edges carefully. Now slowly lift it and place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Now our bread is baked. Rub some butter on top to make it really soft. And there you have it. Our delicious twisted bread is ready to enjoy. Thank you for joining us today on our channel. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit the thumb button and share it with your friends. Until next time, happy baking!